Hello viewers, my name is Bindu Shajan Terepadan and I cover health for the Hindu. The four key highlights for the health sector this year has been an enhanced budget allocation, promise of adding 75,000 medical seals in the next 5 years, cheaper drugs for patients with cancer, rare diseases, and chronic ailments, expansion of the government health assurance scheme, Ayushman Bharat, to include gig workers, and enhancing the healthcare for women and child through targeted intervention. The Union Budget 2025-26 allocation represents over 190% increase since 2014-15. The big announcement in the sector is the inclusion of gig workers under the central government's assurance scheme, which offers them health cover in approved hospitals across the country. Additionally, 36 life-saving drugs and medicines have been added to the list of drugs fully exempted from the basic customs duty, and 6 life-saving medicines have been included in the list attracting custom duty of 5%. The other major announcements is the setting up of daycare cancer center in all district hospitals across India. Cancer incidence in India is increasing with the number of new cases projected to increase over 12% by 2025. This, according to experts, is a significant challenge to the healthcare system. Meanwhile, projects that have received enhanced budget include a production-linked incentive for pharma industry, ABPMJY, and the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. For women and child, key announcements here include expanded maternal health programs and increased funding for child nutrition and vaccination. And more Anganwadi centers are now being upgraded with digital tracking system. Industry experts, however, caution that the expansion of these schemes will need additional manpower and robust implementation to benefit the public. I will be decoding the health budget, explaining how the money has been allocated under the health sector, which schemes have taken priority this year, and what are the first initial views of the pharma and the medical device industry. Do follow the Hindu online and print for an in-depth dive into the budget 2025-26. Thank you.